From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Turnbull here with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Dry conditions will continue throughout the day today, but how long will that last? I'll have that just in a minute. As we look at our cameras across the state, we have nice snow cover across most of the state, with State College, Wilkes-Barre, and Williamsburg sporting a nice coat of snow. Looking at Pittsburgh, we can see the sun trying to peek out a little bit, with mostly cloudy skies still persisting. Looking at our current conditions right now at State College, University Park temperature of 27 degrees with overcast conditions. The winds are calm right now, so the feels like temperature is the same as our ambient air temperature. The visibility is not so great right now, with 7 miles of visibility. As we look at the temperatures across the state right now, temperatures are ranging from the low to mid-20s up in northwestern PA, with Bradford coming in at 22 degrees this afternoon. As we get into eastern PA, it's a little bit warmer, with 28 degrees in Allentown, 31 in Harrisburg, and 30 degrees in Philadelphia. Looking at our current radar and satellite imagery, we can see mainly cloudy skies up across the state into the northeast. There's a few flurries scattered widely across the state, but nothing much should be reaching the ground at this time. Looking at our future weather, we can see the north wind keeping our temperatures below average for this time of year. Temperatures not getting higher than 29 in State College to 34 in Philadelphia. Into this evening, the northerly wind continues, with a few scattered flurries continuing throughout the state. As we get into tomorrow morning, clouds will be persisting into the southern half of Pennsylvania, with temperatures beginning to drop into the low to mid-teens up north in Bradford, Williamsport, and Scranton, and the low to mid-20s and upper 20s in Allentown, Harrisburg, and Philadelphia. As we get into Friday morning, clouds will be mainly confined to our western parts of the Commonwealth, with temperatures slowly beginning to rise. By Friday evening, dry conditions will continue, but clouds will begin to overtake the region as our next storm system begins to arrive. Taking a look at the Euro for Saturday morning, we do have precipitation beginning to work its way into the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic by Saturday morning. As we get into Saturday evening, however, precipitation will begin to work its way into the state, with snow and mixed wintry precipitation beginning to take hold in the southern portions of the state. As we get into Sunday morning, the snow and mixed precipitation, the main concern will be of freezing rain, causing issues out on the roads and on the power lines, especially as you get into eastern and southeastern portions of the state. There are still details to be worked out with this storm and the precipitation types. We cannot rule out State College getting some freezing rain as we get into Sunday morning. The system should be out of our area by Sunday night completely and pull in some colder temperatures behind that. As we look at our recap for today, a high of 30 degrees with an overcast conditions persisting and below average temperatures, with a north wind of 6 miles per hour. By tonight, temperatures will be dropping into the teens, with a low of 15 degrees in State College, with clouds decreasing throughout the night, a northeasterly wind around 3 to 5 miles per hour. As we take a look at our 7-day forecast, Again, 30 degrees as our high today at Penn State, remaining cloudy. As we get into Friday, mostly cloudy skies are expected with a high of 25 and a low of 15. By Saturday, snow begins to arrive into the region late afternoon into the evening. A high of 25 and a low of 20 is expected. By Sunday, warmer conditions but still cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 12. Snow will begin to enter State College late Monday evening into the early hours of Tuesday morning. High of 23 with a low of 14 degrees on Monday. By Tuesday, the wintry mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow will begin to taper off late in the morning and the early afternoon hours. A high of 28 and a low of 19. And by Wednesday, more clouds continuing as that storm system begins to depart the area with a high of 32 and a low of 20 degrees. We'll have more details on our winter storms coming up later today and tomorrow.